Welcome. Follow me is a Samsung Galaxy A72, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. Now to get started, obviously let's access the settings. From here you want to scroll down to General Management, select Reset, and in here you'll find Factory Data Reset option. Select that one, and this will give you a message that basically performing this will remove virtually everything from your phone, including your installed apps, photos, music, stuff like that, Google accounts. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, then well, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you simply might not want to, select Reset, delete all, and this will begin the process. Now this will take several minutes, so just be patient, but once it's finished, you should be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.